Have you ever scrolled through endless memes and dog videos on the popular social media app Relay? Maybe you've even posted a hilarious cat video yourself, racking up thousands of flares, Relay's version of likes. But amidst the fun, a question might have popped into your head: how exactly does Relay make all this magic happen? Unlike some other social media giants, Relay boasts a refreshingly clean and ad-free interface. No pop-ups, no sponsored content, just pure, unadulterated social interaction, or is it? Let's dive deeper into the world of Relay and explore the intriguing ways it might be turning those cute cat videos into cold, hard cash. The subscription model, a hidden cost? At first glance, Relay appears completely free. You download the app, create an account, and start sharing. But wait, there's a catch, or maybe not. Relay offers a premium tier called Relay Pro. Now, this Pro version isn't shoved down your throat. There are no constant nag screens or limitations on the free version that cripple the experience. So, what does Pro offer? Here's where things get interesting. Relay Pro boasts some enticing features. Extended video uploads. Standard users are limited to 15-minute clips, while Pro bumps that limit to a whopping hour. Advanced analytics. Ever want to see exactly who viewed your post, down to the minute they saw it? Pro unlocks this data-driven dream. Monetization options. This is the big one. Relay Pro allows creators to enable flares with tips. Basically, viewers can now attach a small monetary donation to their flares, essentially tipping the content creator. So, the subscription model exists, but it's subtle. It doesn't force itself upon you, but it offers valuable features for both content creators and data-hungry users. This could be a clever way for Relay to generate revenue without resorting to the dreaded advertising route. Beyond subscriptions, the data dilemma. We live in a world where data is king. Every like, comment, and share you make is a valuable piece of information for companies. So, even if Relay isn't directly selling your data, is it possible they're using it in other ways? The answer, like most things in the tech world, is a bit murky. Relay's privacy policy is refreshingly transparent. They clearly state they don't sell your personal data to third parties. However, they do collect anonymized data on user behavior. This data could include things like the types of content you engage with, how long you spend watching videos, the time of day you're most active on the app. This anonymized data is incredibly valuable for Relay's internal development. It helps them understand what kind of content keeps users engaged and how to tailor the app for maximum user satisfaction. But there's also a chance this data could be used for targeted advertising on other platforms. Relay might not be showing you ads directly, but they could be using your anonymized behavior to build a profile that's then sold to advertisers elsewhere. It's important to remember that this is speculation. Relay clearly states they don't sell your data, and there's no evidence to suggest otherwise. However, it's a possibility to keep in mind, especially in today's data-driven world. The elusive world of partnerships. Another potential revenue stream for Relay could lie in partnerships. Maybe a popular food brand sponsors a cooking challenge on the app. Or perhaps a music streaming service integrates with Relay, allowing seamless music sharing in videos. These partnerships could be a win-win situation. Brands get valuable exposure to Relay's massive user base, while Relay generates revenue through these collaborations. There's also the possibility of in-app purchases. While Relay doesn't currently offer purchasable items, it's not out of the realm of possibility. Maybe in the future, Relay Pro could offer different tiers with varying features, some requiring an additional in-app purchase. The future of Relay, a speculative peek. The world of social media is constantly evolving, and Relay is no exception. With its innovative approach and focus on user experience, it's clear the developers are thinking strategically about monetization. Here are a few ways Relay might evolve in the future. Live streaming with tipping. Imagine your favorite Relay creator hosting a live Q&A session where viewers can show their appreciation with virtual tips. This could be a lucrative way for creators to connect with their audience and generate income. Branded content deals, similar to influencer marketing on other platforms, relay creators with large